Welcome to RTX 2101 and 2801 Module Column Removal and Installation Training. Modules may be removed from the display individually from the front of the display or in columns from the top. This training will focus on removing and installing the column from the top of the display. Start by disconnecting power to the display. Next, remove the beverage shroud. Disconnect the power and signal cables for the column needing to be removed. For safety when working from height, attach one end of a safety lanyard to the labeled attachment point on the top of the column. Then connect the other end to the attachment point on the adjacent column. Grip the column firmly and pull up and away from the display to disengage the column from the attachment points. Once disengaged, remove the column from the display. Reverse these steps to install the module column.